Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. In this session, I will explain about how to apply common entrance test for PG who is completed their bachelor degree in Telangana. They are eligible for this set. In this session, we can discuss about how to apply and what is qualification and fees details and last date for application date. All details we can discuss in this video. Now coming to website, official website. It is CPG Set 2020. Click the CPG Set 2020. This site is automatically going to the main portal. It is official website for common postgraduate entrance test to Usmania University is conducted by this test. And now coming to information section. In this information section, they are giving notification, fees related important dates and examination schedule. Other information is also given. Now coming to notification or fees details. In this section, they are giving official notification. It is common entrance test for post graduation 2020. In this notification, they are giving all details about who is eligible for this examination, and also in this notification they are giving all undergraduate students eligible for this notification, and also they are giving fees related details also in this notification. It is based on category. Now coming to dates, also is given application starting date and ending date. In this notification, ending date for this notification is 19th October 2020. So date is very soon ending. Interested candidate, please apply for this notification. Now coming to application fee for payment details. In this section, they are giving qualifying examination and qualifying examination hall ticket number, and also candidate name also in given. Date of birth is given. It is as per SSC certificate, and mobile number is also asking in this section. Now coming to mobile number details, if it is self or fathers or mother or relatives, and also they are asking alternative number also in this section. Now coming to email ID. In this session, they are asking email ID also for the further verification. They are giving and category also in this session. It is OC, BC or SC, ST, and also if you are selected their category, fee also applicable based on the category. If you are physical handicapped, click this yes. If you are not, select no. Then also they are giving in this notification how many subjects you have choose in this notification, and at this time you also write additional application is also. Then after completion, click the payment option. In this application, they are giving different types of payment systems. It is net banking, debit card, credit card, whichever is you like, follow that one. Now coming to, I select net banking for the payment. The amount is with include charges 600. Why? Because I am clicking the cash category as per. Now coming to, I selected bank, preferable bank. It is Axis Bank. Then pay the amount. In this session, fill your full details about internet banking. Then after login, so my payment is asking confirmation. I click confirmation button. Once again confirm for payment. In this session, it is confirmed. Here they are giving details. Your payment is successful. Then this transaction is going to official payment system. Then appearance here, the register number or reference number for the payment of the application. They are giving authorized number. It is the payment ID. It is useful for further information, and also capture this screen for the further reference. They are asking at the time of the registration of form filling, they are asking payment ID and a hall ticket number. As for all details, they are asking in this session. In this session, carefully fill your details, and must be star symbol. All details are must be. It is mandatory for filling details. Choose the subject which you apply for the PG entrance test, and subject name is also in this session. Then after completion, they add this one. Now they are asking here candidate name, we are already entered. Then parents details and mother details also asking. then confirm gender, male or female, then Aadhaar number, then birth status, then category and subcaste, and caste number is also enter this. If you have any social related or other particular activity, NSS, NCC, sports, you are click this one. This file is at the time of the certification verification they are checking. Then do you belong to local area, they are asking in this session. If you are yes, you enter the yes. If you are no, click the no. Then also asking minority or non-minority, and here income related details is asking. If your income is 1 lakh below, then click on 1 lakh, or 1 lakh above, click on 1 lakh above. Then also income certificate number is also asking in this session. So if you are not a income certificate, you enter the previous application number, and at the time of the certificate verification they are taking new application number for the income. And now coming to here, second one is address details. Fill your address details carefully for the communication purpose. Then all details must be filled here. Now coming to qualification of the examination. If you are qualified degree or any other qualification, enter carefully. Here they are asking name of the university, name of the college, year of the pass. If you are pursuing in this year, choose the waiting for result one. Then second language, first language is also preferable. Choose based on your languages. And SSC qualification details and intermediate qualification details also asking in this session. If you are studying in urban area or rural area, choose one. All ticket number, month of the passing, year of the passing. Then also they are asking intermediate details in this session also same like the first one, it is SSC related. Then if you have any other degree after completion of degree, for example you have apply for double PG or another PG, if your details is filled must be. Then if you don't have any qualification, you not submit here. Now coming to study academic year based on from the 9th class to now. If you, for example, if you complete your 9th class in 2014, here official it is 2014 and 2015 for the academic year. Then choose like this, and also name of the college or name of the university or name of the board also. Then select state of study here. If you are selecting other state or one state, you select these details. And now coming to fourth one, it is exam center preference. You choose must to carefully. If you have belongs to the local property, and preference is carefully. Why? Because this time the traveling support is not helpful, that's why reason you choose must to. And also photo is asking, and signature is asking. The both files are below 50 KB and signature is below 30 KB, must be choose that. Then after confirmation, save this one. Then here it is available, it is instruction box is also available, click and then save. Example, fill your details like this: 2013 to 14, 14 to 15, your qualification details all fill like this. And exam center is also preferable like this based on the transport specialty. And then after confirm your photo and signature in also this section. Then after here the tick mark is must be submit that per the declaration. Then after save. Then after completion of this process, you preview and submit your details. Then continue to go. Must be check your photo is appearance or not, signature in also. Then after preview or submit, the preview of the application appearance look like this. So must carefully observe this all details. If you have any mistake, then go to the back and click the edit for the application. Then fill. Once you fill details and confirmation of the save button, then after you can't change any other information in this application. And also if you are write one more paper for PG set, and also this time you choose the both papers, and also extra paper amount is just 400 rupees. Then fill your details carefully and check once all details. Go to the above page and come here for completion of the details. Then coming to choose the modify. If you have any changes in, click the modify. If you not changes, they confirm the this page. Now I check once all details, then click here for final submit. The appearance ID is related to application number or registration number for the PG set. Then take print to this application, click on the print, then confirmation save where this file is saved. Now coming to page under, here appearance, click the print option, then take print and save as your desktop or where you choose your folder. Then take name for this application like this 2020 CPG set. Now successfully complete the application process of the common PG entrance test. If you have any doubts in this application process, please post on comments. Thank you watching for this video. If you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more related videos and share with your friends.